A fabulous 1956 Chevy 3200 pickup. Beautiful little show truck we have here.
When the night has come.
The color is called Glade Green Metallic. It looks to me like it's got green, black, and blue in it. It's an absolutely stunning color. It's kind of quiet, but the closer you get to it, the prettier it gets. Beautiful chrome and stainless throughout. It has been in one family since new, 1956. And it was just restored with no expense spared. Everything that could be done on the truck was done. Still running its correct inline six-cylinder that has been restored. Fun little show truck. Side-mounted spare. Running the wide whites, baby moons. Got it dressed up there a little bit for Halloween. Very nice bed in the truck. Let me turn the light on here and let's take a look inside. Black interior. A lot of time and a lot of money have been put into the restoration of this vehicle. It looks like 1956 in here. Nothing real fancy. In the information, it was driven less than 2,000 miles a year. So it's a low mileage 56. And factory 4-speed, which has also been overhauled and restored, including the rear end. It's running 338 gears in and out, give it nice acceleration, and that has been restored as well. If you're looking for a special nice 50s Chevy pickup truck, this is one you ought to seriously consider. This is turnkey. Everything's done. Get in it and go have fun. I think in this angle you can see some of the green tint in the paint. Alright, let's go take a look under the hood. Okay, here we are under the hood. Looking very factory original. Beautifully detailed and restored. I believe that's called the Blue Flame 6.
Charlie, you have a call on line 2. Charlie, line 2.
If you have an interest in this fabulous little 56 show truck, give me a call. My name is Jeff Whitaker, and you can reach me at 410-562-9319.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand